care. I don't care.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Mercy dive is like weird, but if y'all want to run that, we can. It's not really
Mercy dive
technically
was
a
the
dive.
dive.
Whoa, that was Moth Mercy days.
You guys had a good
hated
idea with
that
the
dive.
Lucio, but it's not my spot.
Fucking hated that dive. Moth Mercy dive's gross dive.
You don't want Mercy Dive?
Yeah, you should play Lucio.
Lucio
Or if
then?
you want to play. Yeah.
I don't think they have coordination enough to run this type of dive. Yeah. Especially new counter
Do they
dive
know what
with
speed is?
Do they know what?
Which side do we want to go?
Speed is?
Oh,
Guess
probably
we're
not.
going right.
Right?
Okay.
They understand
We need
Okay, I gotta tear Ultra Flex
tank.
apart. You ready, boys? Let's go.
No,
You're about to drive him away, bro.
No, I'm not gonna drive
We
him.
need
I'm
our
gonna be
designs for
nice about
Discord.
it
We
when I
can't
talk
dive
to him later.
Need heals.
Tracking back, tracking.
What's up?
Let's go, let's
That
go.
man just dived, turned around from an Ana and faced 3 tanks. Dead in the eye.
So, I would just say
He's not the
try and
best.
dive together if you guys can. All go at the same time. You overwhelm them that way. If you go in one at a time, it's a nice little shooting
I'm
gallery
gonna
for
give
them.
that man a hug, and I'm gonna give him a candy. And he's
Okay, I don't
about
have
to
that
get fucking-
right now. Just
And then just like, I let you live today, Anna.
25
come
count.
back.
So they're actually the enemy team is actually running a counter dive, which is
I'm
kind
gonna
of
give him
funny.
the side treatment, my doggies.
Do you want to go high ground? Right side?
10 till max.
Duskwood.
5
Wait,
till
Blue,
max.
did you ever get a coaching session from Sai when you were main tank?
No. Oh
Okay,
wait, yes.
got my mech
One,
back.
I think.
How did it go?
But I'm gonna jump over.
Hold on,
Really good.
wait for
He-
boosters.
Really?
Never
He
mind.
gave me a really like.
This
a
fool
shitload
doesn't
of
listen to
information.
anything his team says.
Thanks
He
for
just does
the,
stuff.
What the fuck?
I'm down.
Dude, Blue,
I
it
think
was
we're-
literally
we should
Sai
pull out.
screaming at me for like half an hour straight.
Yeah.
Well, that's your guys' thing.
Kaz, can you go junk?
What?
It'd be nice because they're in that grouping.
Wait, but no, he
Almost
almost
got
has.
Blade Soul
I was
Switch
gonna
for
say
that.
no. He almost has Blade. Don't switch.
Junk doesn't work for dive.
It does not work for dive.
I have not had to move my spectator at all.
You guys want to go push
Yeah,
left?
I didn't do it at all on
Yeah, let's go left and
on
pop out right
King's
here.
Row first point
Okay.
on attack.
Oh,
Well,
I'm
what
just
else are they
spectating
gonna
one
have
person.
Alright, ready?
Yeah,
Wait,
if you call out who
Neo,
you're going
no,
on,
listen,
I'll go on.
listen to Neo. She's asking for ult, guys.
Oh,
Oh, Kaz is going in way too early. Oh, but they're there. Hey, that was actually a good dive.
nice
That was a
Blade.
good dive.
Yeah.
Focus the target that they're not on a
On point,
target.
zone 1.
Zarya,
See?
super
He still
low.
should have dived the target.
Hell yeah.
Or this he dived balls deep into the
Oh.
whole team. There's
My
no
bad.
problem with that, but the
Oh,
problem
that
is
anti-
Can I get healed?
diverting the attention either.
Yeah, they didn't have a focus target, but they're cleaning it up.
They're getting a little bit better, but
Watch
like if that team didn't have one brain cell, they would have just shot Winston as he was coming in.
Yeah,
And it would have been over.
Fuck.
Just
Right,
on it. Okay.
So they're called that.
that's a reason they're lower elo, chef.
Oh,
Don't
I
worry.
should-
It's something to go over
You so
after,
we can
okay?
look at it.
It's something to go over
Just
after.
McCree, just McCree.
My brain's little too, don't worry.
They're all
Good
coming.
luck.
Good luck.
He's so low. He's dead. He's
Oh,
dead.
just knock him out. Just knock trans out. Knock trans out, dude. Knock it out. Just knock it out. Just knock it out. Come on, just knock him out. Just knock him out. Just knock him out. They should kill Zen right now. They
It's
should
Zen,
kill
he's one,
Zen.
he's one on top.
Yeah, there you go, Neo. There you go, Neo.
Roadhog?
Roadhog is pretty low.
Yes, kill the hog. Kill the hog. He's alone. There you
dead.
go. Good job, guys.
Tracer, do you want to come with me and get these
Good job,
daggers?
guys.
Yeah, big dick energy, my boys.
Where are you?
Yeah, they're kind of.
Okay, yeah,
Kaz.
that
Oh,
dive
McCree, watch out for
was
McCree.
much
Same point.
better.
Yeah,
It
that was
wasn't
much
good.
better.
Oh no, I did.
It was better. It was sloppy, but it was better. Dark Lord should have body blocked. I know he can't do much body blocking.
Big means retarded.
Bless me.
Bless you.
Bless you. He didn't even hear that. They don't even get to hear that. What a pulse
That was
bomb.
a Dark Lord ult, dude.
What a pulse bomb,
Oh,
dude.
yeah.
That was a Dark Lord pulse, dude. I'm only referring it to that.
That's a Dark Lord pulse.
I can deflect some back.
Oh, good job, good job.
I hope
Good
it's a
shield break.
support
I need
because
heals. I'm dead.
I
I'm
need
dead.
heals. Yeah.
I need to-
Pretty done.
Amping
Hey,
heals.
what a good dive, actually. That was a good dive right into the back line. That was good.
Didn't focus the target though.
They didn't have a target, but the idea is there. The idea is there. Look at him tickle, dude. Look at him tickle. Look at him tickle. Oh, he's dead. But look at him. Did you see him tickle, dude?
Oh,
no one wants to look at the ground for Junkrat traps, do they?
Apparently
I
not. They
don't do
keep
that
getting
either,
trapped.
bro. You know how many times I've dived straight into a Junkrat trap? It's horrible.
Probably one too many, man.
I'm literally Papega, man. I don't know what.
We haven't seen grab
Come back,
yet.
Winston, come back.
Why would he do that?
Alright, regroup.
Hell, that's worse than me when I'm
That's probably,
fucking
like, one
high.
of the first times we've heard
Can
that
I get
before
heals?
this session.
Alright, I'm gonna jump.
I love him though.
behind.
He's a cutie.
Oh.
What?
It's,
Okay.
right side, be careful.
What an ult, dude. Good reaction on their part though.
Move up, Red.
Alright.
I'm dead. I'm down. Ooh.
Good job. Okay, we have everyone.
Hey, they're coming back. They're coming back.
There's a McCree on the right.
This McCree and Zen.
Get this Reinhardt, he's discorded and alone.
I'm on him.
I'm dead.
Okay, full regroup. Don't go
That was
outside.
a Reinhardt carry.
I
Cash!
was
Stop feeding! Holy shit.
Alright, we need a push.
Somebody.
This is all up to the man.
Oh, tank. Fine.
I don't know why he tranced. That's fucking instant damage.
Push on blade.
Yeah.
Push on blade.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And then they grabbed because, well,
They don't
no
have grab
trans.
anymore.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna pop
They
my
used
ult.
trans there too. I don't know why they transed. But okay, dude.
I was about to say that's all up to fucking Ultra, and then that man trans, and I was
Oh,
like,
Can I
okay.
get heals?
Another one!
The Dark Lord pulse, dude. Dark Lord. Yeah.
Okay.
Switch when you
Ryan's
die.
almost dead. He's so low. He's dead.
Oh no.
Push to who?
Whoever you want. Just
We have-
whenever you die.
15 seconds left. Let's
We need a push.
I have Diva Bomb.
You can't
I'm
even
gonna
coach
start off
that
with
because you know
We
that's
need a
not how we
push
thought it was gonna go.
Wait,
Who am
what?
I switching to?
Oh, that's huge.
Oh!
Anyone just
Oh fuck! I got stuck. Oh, I got trapped.
Aw.
I'm trapped.
It was zoning, big zone though.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And then Flex just left the team. Yep, I'll do it. Oh, that's gonna be huge. That's also gonna be huge.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Yep.
That was an
New with the
Orpus fire.
touch, new with the boop! That was a what?
New with the fucking dead. Holy shit.
Yeah. That was a good
Oh,
touch.
I
though.
got
Alright,
stuck.
let's see.
Oh,
Can anyone make
Zilly.
it back? Oh, Zuri made it back.
Oh.
Flex, what do you have? You have a shatter?
Oh my god, the world's tallest shadow, dude.
Fuck, and he died to a trap! Oh, man.
I've hardly had to move the fucking camera.
Yeah.
Hey, your guys' dive was a lot better there. At times it was good, at times it was sketch at best.
Stage boys, you're doing great.
Yeah, you're doing good. You are doing good. I've honestly noticed quite a bit of improvement just within these last few games because again, guys, that's your first time playing together with many of you, so it's already gonna be challenging enough in a team aspect because these guys you guys are playing against, it's not their first scrim, so their teamwork and synergy is already kind of
Fuck's that guy
set.
holding?
You guys still have to kind of learn each individual type of playstyle, and so that's going to be a bit of a challenge just on its own. As far as diving, just make sure you have a target when you jump, because you guys did have some good engagements, but you just kind of happenstanced to win the fight because you just happen to attack the same target by luck. If you guys can focus down the targets, they'll die a lot faster. It'll be good.
Okay.
But aside from that,
Dude, I
though,
feel like
guys,
this place is
you're doing
really
good. Just stay positive, do your best, and it'll be a learning experience regardless. You only
Okay,
lose if you don't learn anything from this.
Where are the food stands in Blizzard World?
I'm looking.
You know,
I'm
I
looking
just
around
noticed
you.
that we went Ryan for
this-
second point, and I stayed on Lucio.
More
I
people
feel
don't
dumb.
go to fucking Blizzard World, dude.
This. Wait, what?
Well, like, look at this shit. Where would I eat if I was here?
It's probably inside of all these areas, dude.
Lost Vikings on the left, you bot.
Wait, lost?
What?
Lost. Oh no, this is a lost and found. I'm a bot. Oh, I'm sorry. Running.
Yeah, you
It looked like a run. It looked like a restaurant.
I'm about to
Oh my god.
slap your ass.
It doesn't look like a counter to order food.
You do what the people of
Think they're gonna
Azeroth
come up
do, and you
left.
go to a fucking inn, dude.
Back up. Okay, good.
You demand more?
Oh wait, what?
Village,
Snacks
you're not
Ramus is
muted.
literally named Snacks. Look.
Should have backed up.
Yeah, Snacks
no.
Ramus.
Wait, Chef,
Back
come
up
over
if
to
you
Snacks
can.
Ramus.
His shield's low.
Wait, the snacks
He's
ram?
down.
Where is that?
Snacks are
Next Ramus, it's the.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, whoops.
Good job, good
Yeah,
job.
look at those
I need
burgers.
heals
They
if
got
you can.
wieners. They got waffles.
Don't
They
come
got
point.
legs.
Oh yeah. Where the fuck is this?
Sometime.
Oh.
Or
Right at a point. Right at a point. Right at a point. Right at a point. Next Ramus.
Hold on,
I
hold on.
got
Is
the
this
past-
class-
Fuck this Ramus, dude. Yeah,
The-
fuck.
is class
Wait, what?
a
Whoa, what?
permanent
Bro,
or
I'm
is he a
fucking
tryout?
hungry now, dude.
Yo,
Holy
your
shit.
brain is mad.
Wait, what?
Oh my god, I wasn't muted. I feel so
Can you
bad.
get Ryan shield down?
Wait, what did you say?
Tryout, or is he?
I'm stopping 5
Wait,
bombs right now.
wait, what did you say, Village?
Pushing
Oh,
right.
snacks
Pushing
ramen.
right.
I'm talking about snacks ramen.
Up right.
Oh, okay.
I said, screw this, screw. Let's go get
Junk's
something to
going
eat.
right.
Oh, and CTY,
That is a interesting
Ooh,
position.
Whoa.
that was dangerous as fuck, dude.
Send me a message, Otis. I can't hear you.
Let's see what these dudes are doing.
They're coming out top right or top left.
Top left. Yeah, sorry, I meant saying top right.
Yep.
That was my fault.
Top left.
And over here calling Chef a bot and everything and talking about food in their scrim. I feel so bad.
Guys, come back.
It was
Ryan's
a genuine
coming.
question
Top
though,
left.
okay? Oh, that's karma at its finest.
Bottom left.
Oh man, that Junkrat.
Man.
Oh, okay, Dark has.
We can try to come from behind, possibly.
Yeah, they're going behind. See this choke.
Good
Oh, they're
game
doing
sense
it.
on Kaz.
Helps in. Push up.
Shield,
What
where's
about
the
them?
shield?
Uh-oh.
Get run.
Oh,
Nice
actually,
trim.
really
Oh,
good
the-
for the fucking
I'm dead.
anti.
It was. There's they just got
We're
Ash.
focusing that
Oh,
Ryan's
what?
healing.
Why?
Oh, really nice chance by Chad.
What is this man,
That was
Luffy?
a nice trance sniper, dude.
That was a Luffy chance, boys.
Good
Luffy
job.
chance.
Huge. He clapped.
I saw that. Kaz, don't go in
What are we
alone.
doing?
Kaz, don't go in alone. They already got the point. Kaz, don't go in alone.
Fucking
Kaz, no! Kaz! What? What? Okay, hang on.
Can get away with that.
Real quick. Okay. So that's a mistake on them for letting him do that, but he should never do that again because it's never going to work twice.
No, and you have to teach them that. You have to
You're
tell them
anti it like
sometimes
that?
it worked in the end, but never do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like, what-
please.
Kill that Alex just did. You never do that, and it didn't work. But still,
Yo, Darkler's just spamming
Behind the
shots
line.
over here.
Yeah.
Nice.
What is he doing? Where is he?
He's a Reinhardt main,
Widow
dude.
76. Wait, who's the Reinhardt main?
Dark Lord.
Dude, he was behind the Rhine shield, the enemy Rhine shield.
This is fucking silver. Holy shit.
My heart.
He has to charge his shots more and play those.
Can you repeat that again? I can't really hear you.
Hook the junk and bring him close if you can.
Okay.
okay, stop using all your cooldowns. Alt, I'm gonna punch you right in the face.
Who's
He
serious?
should just fortify and walk out. Oh, that's an oof.
Just imagine if you fortify that.
Fortify and walk out, and then Zuri should have used her E to stay alive.
My aim.
They have Reptar.
McCree's half. McCree got me. She's stunned.
Rip Dark.
He's over here fighting for her life.
Right?
I have Reptar.
We'll teach him though.
You.
Good time to regroup.
Mew.
I kind of feel
Oh,
bad
how
for
long have
New,
they
but
had
at the
me?
same time, I feel like she definitely has her work cut out for her, and it'll be easier when she goes back with us.
Nice.
Damn, bad Reptar. Sorry.
It's okay.
So how
Ryan doesn't have shield.
You guys
Gazaya.
coming,
Nice.
May, they got him, eh?
It's like
That's a bad habit Sudi does a
I
lot.
don't
She
What?
hooks with 0 ammo.
Oh no.
Oh, I
Yeah,
should have
it's
let time with
Did
Hog.
anybody die to him? Fuck.
No.
Oh, dude. I literally do that every time.
Run low, run
He's super low.
Not anymore, huh, Sudi?
Oh no. That was.
Carly Niner!
Darly Diner.
Blue.
Thanks, Blue. Have I been muted this whole time?
No, you're good.
Oh, okay.
Real quick, I want to apologize for interrupting you guys' scram. I didn't realize I was on mute.
You're interrupting right now!
You should have done it after, dude. Just do it after.
Lamau.
Just do it after, dude.
Bad
Yo,
position,
fat
man.
boop right now. Get a 4K
You
boop,
guys want to
dude.
go
Are we
left?
pushing?
6K boop, dude.
We need to stop them.
Both Dreams
Well, yeah,
Red
we need
and
to touch
Dreams
payloads
Blue
and
are about to
contest.
be
I
fucking
can stop
experts
them. No, I
in
ripped car
C9.
about to get it.
Right, dude?
Charlie Niner.
Fucking get behind
Oh,
them
what
here.
a halt, dude. What a halt. That was actually a really good halt, dude. He got 5 of them.
Oh
That's not the best place to be,
Kill
though.
the
Early halt, they
Kill
should
the
take advantage
There's
of it.
a Reinhardt
What?
behind us, sorry. Orisa, sorry.
no! Nice,
Wait,
nice.
what, Blue? What'd you say about
Ryan
it?
purple, Ryan
He's
purple, he's one.
actually getting
He's
some,
dead,
like,
he's dead.
Good job, good job.
they would be really good halts if they were taking advantage of.
Yeah,
like, literally-
he's
Nice.
getting really good halts.
Nice job.
Yeah. He's got the idea of halt down, which is good.
You know Orisa can cancel her all animation with her shield?
Yeah, or her shield with her
really?
ult.
You Q and E instantly and your ult instantly goes down.
Yep.
That's so fucking cool.
Yeah, dude, animation cancels.
I like
Dude,
how
that
I
was a
don't know
massive.
this.
What the fuck?
You
What,
don't know when
dude?
you're a Orisa player feels
Oh, so, Village, your wife just killed our Junkrat.
Yeah, I
Keep
saw
both up like
that.
that, yeah.
Combined into them when they were both low.
Yeah, it's like, hey, come here, splash damage friend.
And one.
Come here, splash damage friend. I want to be your friend.
What are you Oh, this guy
Good car.
I need heals.
I got you.
What the fuck? Where did that tire come from? Oh, okay. I was like, Kaz on the mad flank,
That's
dude.
a flanker.
Okay, so hand real fast though. Honestly, this is actually massive. If he had told his team and they pushed up, Zuri did good at pushing them up because they cut from both angles and forced them out of that choke. Like that's actually really good. They just have to talk about it. They didn't
Yeah.
communicate that.
They
But
did
that,
unintentionally.
what?
When you do it unintentionally.
Yeah, but like I mean, it worked though. Is the thing is like that's a good strat to force them out of that choke. Is just collapsing them from both sides and push hard, push really hard through everything, and you force them out of the choke.
I got sides, but
Oh,
they're not
oh
popping
god,
around.
oh god, he's
Right
gonna
together.
die. He's immediately dead.
They're coming.
He's dead. He's dead. How is he
At
not
least
dead?
we know where they're
No,
coming
oh,
from.
he's dead. Okay.
Damn.
You ever just
My
overextend?
sets are out. Oh,
Yeah, I went too aggro there.
that was
Nice shot with it.
that was dirty.
Hey, Widow can still headshot through trans.
Oh no.
Do you ever tire junk?
Oh no.
68.
Don't peek that, Widow. Oh, good kill, actually. Good job. Good trans.
Ryan is purple.
Get the
Ryan
Rhine.
is really
Widow,
low.
get the Rhine.
Really low.
Widow, get the Rhine. The Rhine was purple. He was the call.
Ryan's literally one.
Yep, he is. There you go. Now look for the supports. Don't SMG. Use your big boy
Soldier
gun.
7 or
You,
Widow.
use the big boy gun and shoot the supports in the head. There you
yeah,
go.
Contested the last second.
Just click heads, forehead.
Yeah, just
Contest.
click heads for
Okay,
it.
but really, that's all you have to do.
Okay, yeah. But sometimes easier said than done. Sometimes easier said than done.
Nope, easy to